Hello, welcome. This is JAMB year 2010 literature past question. Question number 5 says, where does the play take place? Where does the play take place? So when we talk of place, place means setting. Setting where the actions of the place of the play took place. So that is where is so option A say on the street, B say in George Owen's place, C say in Ant's house, D say in Ofosu's place. Based on the story of this the in the text, the story took place in Ofosu's place. So option D is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.